Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Miele Honeycomb Care W418 washing machine. I'm going to show you today how to do the lint filter. In here on the soap drawer, around the back, there's this little orange thing. Pop that out and then go down here to this little door on the front and pop that in there. That's all that does, just opens that. In here, give this a twist and water is coming out. Now I'm outside, so it doesn't matter that it goes on the floor, but if you're indoors, you have enough space there to get a baking tray or something underneath it. That water's coming out nice and clear, which is good, and lots of it. You're getting a couple, 2 or 3 litres there maybe. Unscrew it, have a look inside. What have we got? Looks like... So we've got some crumbs of rubber in there. That could be a sign that the rubber ring, that seals the door, the rubber door seal, is getting eroded by something like, there's a little twig, something like a loose bearing. There's a piece of rubber, yeah, so this machine could be leaking. I don't know much about it at all. Nothing at all. There's something black in there as well. Let's have a look at that. It looks like the end of a piece of glasses, the bit that goes behind, or maybe, no, it looks like a piece off a pen on second thoughts. But that's it. So if your machine tells you, in this case, to check drain up there, if that light's flashing, this is what that means. So just screw it up as tight as you can, pop the door shut, give it a wipe if you're so inclined. Put this back in here for next time. Snap. And that's the drain checked. Thanks for watching. See you later.